Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to download video from Facebook to computer. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. As we can see, here's opening a Facebook video, and right now I'm gonna download this video. So I'm clicking on this three dot icon and I'll click on copy link, and now open a new tab and search here FB video downloader, and here you will get some website which you can download your Facebook video. Right now I'm gonna opening this website fdown.net, and after opening a website, enter your video link here. So I'm pasting the video link here, then click on download, and here we can see the preview of my Facebook video. And from here we can download video in normal quality, also we can download video in HD quality, so you can download any of them. So right now I'm gonna download this normal quality, so I'm clicking on it. After that, here we can see my download is started. This is how we can download video from Facebook to computer. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.